Kinetik Wellbeing have developed a range of accurate, simple to use and affordable blood pressure monitors. Here we will show you how to use the TMB 2080 Advanced Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. Step 1. Relax. Rest for 5 minutes before taking your blood pressure. Don't eat or drink anything beforehand. Step 2. Apply the cuff. Use your left arm, making sure to remove any thick clothing and rest your arm on a hard surface. Step 3. Take your measurement. Select user and press start. Don't talk and relax as the cuff inflates. Step 4. Repeat. It's recommended that you take 2 or 3 additional readings each about 2 minutes apart to find your average. Step 5. Monitor. It's a good idea to check your blood pressure regularly. If you're concerned about your reading, speak to a healthcare professional.